The history of coupling line boring begins in the late 1980s, when the power industry was dealing with an unplanned blind spot during outages, coupling hole problems. All the attention was being focused on the coupling bolts, because it was the bolts that kept jamming and causing major critical path delays. This concern led to the introduction of the hydraulic radial fit bolt as a solution to the increasing industry pressure to drastically reduce turbine outage times. The new hydraulic bolts proved to be superior versus traditionally fitted bolts in a number of important ways, but not in all applications. In cases where coupling holes were too irregular, even the extra clearance of hydraulic bolts was not a satisfactory solution. This convinced us at INTEGRA Technologies to get to work on the real problem: faulty holes. Up to this time, it had been virtually impossible in an acceptable time frame for anyone to bore on-site holes in couplings with any consistent level of predictable accuracy. Because the earlier equipment couldn't hold the necessary tolerances, the cutting tools tended to wander, resulting in holes that were misshapen or out of alignment, causing the bolts to get jammed or stuck during the removal process. All it took was one seriously jammed bolt to create havoc on critical path operations. And then it came to us. We realized the only way to fix the problem was to fix the design of the boring equipment. And that we did. INTEGRA Coupling Services pioneered the development of the TRU-Bore coupling line boring system, and it finally solved the problem. The new equipment was built to produce true and accurate holes on site through both halves of the coupling each and every time. And the TRU-Bore system has been trusted by the power industry ever since. The TRU-Bore system is faster. INTEGRA Coupling Services can bore consistently accurate bolt holes on site in less than 2 hours per hole, providing you with invaluable time savings. It's better. Because of the high precision finish on the coupling holes created by the TRU-Bore system, customers are now able to fully maximize the benefits that can be achieved with hydraulic and conventional bolts. And it's safer. INTEGRA Coupling Services' TRU-Bore system solves the underlying problems once and for all to ensure that all future coupling separations and reassemblies are done with accuracy and predictability. With the invention of the TRU-Bore coupling line boring system, the whole problem was finally solved, and INTEGRA Coupling Services became the leading provider in coupling line boring services, and it still is today. Contact us for more information.